VideoMate. Give your OpenCart store visual power. Add videos anywhere in your OpenCart store. Easy admin upload, no coding needed. Supports carousel and floating video widget. Map videos to products/categories. Fast, responsive, and SEO friendly. First, we have to install the module on the OpenCart store. To install the module on OpenCart store, we need the FTP server. So here you have to log in with the same one FTP on the WinSAP. Then you should have a right directory on the right side, where you will have a folder named like image system cat login admin. On your left side, you should have a local directory where your file of module has been mentioned. There you have to go inside the folder and found two tabs, where you will find the upload and OC mode. You have to go under the upload folder and select all the files and drag it to your right side, where your store directory is present. Make sure you are having the same folder name, so that the files will get overwrite. Once the installation is complete, you have to move on to Installer tab in the module store. Click on the Upload tab. You will be redirected to your local store, where you have to choose the OC mode file of the module. Click on Upload. The file will be uploaded here, and then you have to move on the Modification tab. There you have to refresh so that the file that you have uploaded from the Installer tab will be listed here. You have to clear the cache and refresh the tab on the Modification page. If you will refresh, then only the module will be activated on your front end. Now move to the Extension tab. Go to the Modules tab. Here, you will find your module that you have installed. You have to click on Upload tab. Here you choose File. It will redirect you to the local, and there you have to upload it. Click on Enable Status so that the module video will be active and you can use it for the pages where you want to display in the cursor or the float type. Next, you can upload the multiple videos. Here you can see the preview of the videos that you have uploaded. You can delete the video in case you don't want any. Then you have to move on. In the video widget, you will find a page where you have to add. Now configure where you want to display which video. So first, let's name it as a fashion. Widget type is a 2 type has been pre-listed, carousel and a floating. You can select any one of them. The next we are having is floating. If you have selected, then we will redirect to the another form. We have to select on which page we want to display floating videos. So the page we have selected is a home page, the video library. Here you have to choose the video that you have been uploaded in the video library. So in the floating, you can select only one video. So we have selected a one that you want to display in the pop-up position, where you want to display this video in the right, left. So we have selected the one which we like. Now remove the bubble cancellation. Cancellation button will be displayed for the video. In case you will enable this, then the wait button will be displayed, else not. Now status will be enable and click on save. Now one will be created for carousel. So we have selected a widget type as a carousel, selected a page of product. Now here we have selected. Now here we are allowed to display the make number of videos. So we have selected the 4 video to be displayed and the product on which product we wanted to display this. So we have selected some products by searching their name. Next, the carousel max video. If you have entered the 10 videos you have listed, now you want to display only the 5 of them. So the initial 5, the initial 2, whatever the count you will display here, the 10 initial, those videos will be listed. Next, we are having the carousel auto duration. After the 5 seconds, the video will be auto-moved to the next one. So you can increase or decrease the time here. Click on Save. Now move to the front end and check how this video works on the front end. On the front end, you can see the video of the home page is being displayed like this. This is a pause button, after which video won't be displayed. When the page refresh the video again gets shown on the page, you can control the volume here. You can pause and restart the video. You can download and check the playback speed. You can also expand and collapse the video to the given button. As you can see, you can manage the video display like this. Next, check on the product page. Just open the product page where you have mentioned. On the product page, you can see the video like this. This is a carousel which is working here. This is an arrow buttons that we have given so that they can change the position. Also on the back end in the carousel, we have listed the 3 videos to be displayed so they are visible. Now let's mention it to the 4th and now refresh the page. As you can see, the 4th video is also being displayed after clicking on the arrow, but the same. Will be shifted after the 2 seconds. After every 2 seconds, the video keep on pause and restart, and it will change the position. This is how the carousel works on the product page. So this is the Knowband VideoMate module on the OpenCarts. Thank you.